I'm sure you're familiar with tools like Claude or Lovable that let you build very simple tools or internal applications very quickly. So imagine if you could do the same inside your TMS, right? You describe what you need and TMS creates simple applications for you for your workflows. That's what Crowdin is actually building right now. They invited me to test it myself. It's a very simple tool that lets you basically describe what you need, attach a screenshot, and in 15 minutes, it's going to create an app for you. Okay, so let me show you how soon you will be able to do it yourself. Very simple. You just add what you need. You can add a screenshot and you just click run. And now we have to wait. This probably shouldn't take more than 10 minutes because it's a simple thing. But now, since this is running, I can actually show you what I already built myself. Let me start with TM tool, very simple tool where I can select my TMs inside Crowdin, click Analyze, and very quickly receive a simple report, what's not consistent inside my TMs. Second project was a very simple dashboard where I wasn't very specific, but I basically said I just need all the projects inside the same dashboard with word count and add more information if you think it's useful. That's what I basically said. So I wasn't very specific, but as you can see, it's quite acceptable, right? With like some tweaks, I can work with this. And there was a third application I created, not on organizational level, but on project level. This is a very simple tool where I can specify the maximum characters that a language can have. I can select a language that I have inside this project, and it can generate very simple report that I can also export into a CSV. So as you can see, very powerful, right? I already created 3 different applications that you could actually use day to day. So let me go back to our application. Okay, so our application is ready. So we just click deploy. We have to wait a couple of seconds and very soon it should be ready for installation. Okay, application is ready. We just have to copy this. We go to organization settings. We go to apps and we just have to install our private app like so. Crowdin is going to tell us what type of access this application is going to have, and you have to decide who is going to have access to this, and also which projects. In our case, we just click install, and this application is good to go. As you can see, very simple process, right? It doesn't require a lot of clicks, and simple applications can be done like 10 minutes basically. So let's open our app now and see how it actually looks like. See, it does work, right? So we can see all our segments, and we can see when was the last time it was modified. Obviously, we probably would need a bit more information here, this to be useful, and maybe also export option. But this is just to visualize how you can work with this to create your own dashboards, applications, workflows, and things like that. If you don't like something, and this is why I like this tool, you can always go back here, add another prompt or describe what you need, and you can basically create another version of this application. What's more is that inside this app, you will see all your apps that you created. So if, for example, you deployed something and later on you would like to change it, you don't have to recreate it. You can go back here, for example. You can obviously check the code, you can see the prompt that was used, but you can click editing and you can go back to this project and modify it, right? So if you need to modify something, add more information, you can do that. Obviously, you have to remember this is an early version of this application, but as you can see, we can already create a lot of powerful tools already, and I'm assuming like in the future, we will be able to create super powerful automations inside Crowdin. So yeah, so this is how you can vibe code your apps inside Crowdin.